Hey guys, welcome back to Delve. Today I'll be showing you how to fix blocked by iframe options policy Firefox. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, I have a solution for you. So first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go to your iframe. So I have a sample over here. You could right click on it and you will have an option this frame. And now, as you can see, you will have an option open frame in new tab. So pretty much from here, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if you're still having issues, guys, you would just simply search for the ignore X frame options header and make sure to go for the Firefox add-on in order for you to have this one. So as you can see, these extensions allow you to load the remote content in iframes even if the server disallow framing. So select add to Firefox, guys, select add over here, select OK, and pretty much after that you will have the extension. You could just simply select it over here and make sure to enable the extensions over here, and pretty much you should be able to fix the issue. So pretty much utilizing these extensions is the best way to go to fix the issue. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.